Hello and welcome to this amazing channel JEFY Javits English for you. Dear friends, आज की वीडियो लेक्चर में हम लोग देखेंगे ऐसे सेंटेंसेस, ऐसे क्वेश्चंस जो हम लोग घर पर बच्चों से पूछ सकते हैं, क्लासरूम में अपने स्टूडेंट से पूछ सकते हैं। इस वीडियो लेक्चर की खास बात यह है कि इस वीडियो लेक्चर में इन क्वेश्चंस के साथ साथ मैंने आंसर्स भी बताया हूँ। मान लीजिए आप बच्चों को इंग्लिश बोलना सिखा रहे हैं, तब क्या क्वेश्चन करना है ये भी आप लोग इस वीडियो में सीखेंगे और बच्चे उसका किस तरह से क्या रिप्लाई कर सकते हैं ये भी आप लोग इस वीडियो में सीखेंगे। प्रोनाउंसिएशंस, इस पर स्पेशल ध्यान देना है क्योंकि जिस तरह की प्रोनाउंसिएशंस आपकी होगी स्टूडेंट्स या बच्चे भी ठीक वैसे ही प्रोनाउंसिएशन कहेंगे। ओके, आप लोग अगर चाहें तो मेरे साथ रिपीट कर सकते हैं। तो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले, कम ऑन, लेट्स बिगिन द वीडियो। Will you put away the toys? Will you put away the toys?
Yes, I will in a minute.
Can you show me this address? Can you show me this address?
Yes, go straight. At the first turn, take left. There is this building.
How do you do? How do you do?
I am fine, thank you.
How have your exams been? How have your exams been?
My exams have been fine, just maths was not so great.
Is there any problem with the computer? Is there any problem with the computer?
No, actually, I have started scanning for viruses.
How is the weather outside? How is the weather outside?
It's not bad, but there are some clouds, so better to stay inside.
Can you pay the bill online? Can you pay the bill online?
Yes, I can do that.
Does it take time? Does it take time?
No, it doesn't. You just have to scan and enter the code.
What are you in such a hurry for? What are you in such a hurry for?
I have to meet Tom at 6 in the evening. I think I am late.
Won't you take the lunch? Won't you take the lunch?
No, I'll take at auntie's house.
When will you be back?
I'll be back before 8 in the evening.
Why are you so upset? Why are you so upset?
We lost the match. That's why.
What are you watching? What are you watching?
I am watching Spider-Man movie.
When is your homework due? When is your homework due?
Tomorrow. It's due tomorrow. I will do it right away.
Can you see this phone? I think it got hung. Can you see this phone? I think it got hung.
Yep, let me just restart it and done.
Can you spread the bed sheet? Can you spread the bed sheet?
Yes, right after I finish folding this shirt.
When are you going to buy the vegetables? When are you going to buy the vegetables? याद रखें ये वर्ड वेजिटेबल्स नहीं है, वेजिटेबल्स इस तरह से कहना है।
I'll go after the lunch, Dad.
Who is at the door? Who is at the door?
It's my friend Ali. We are going to the market.
Did someone call when I was in the bathroom? Did someone call when I was in the bathroom?
Actually, there was a phone, but it was a wrong number.
Why are you late today? Why are you late today?
Our bus got a flat tire. It took around 15 minutes to fix it.
Did you go to the party at your friend's house? Did you go to the party at your friend's house?
Yes, I did.
Why do you need more money? Why do you need more money?
I have to buy some pens and a notebook.
Explain this result to me. Explain this result to me.
I couldn't study because I was busy preparing for the play.
Why are you so nervous? Why are you so nervous?
We have a test tomorrow, that's why.
Did you go to the hospital? Did you go to the hospital?
No, I didn't. I am afraid.
Why isn't the page loading on my mobile? Why isn't the page loading on my mobile?
Let me see. Looks like there's no network.
Where are you going now? Where are you going now?
I am going to meet Sam.
Do you need some help? Do you need some help?
Actually, yes. Just hold it for a while.
What would you like for the dinner? What would you like for the dinner?
I think egg curry and rice will be the best.
Is something the matter? Is something the matter?
No, I just can't remember where I put my glasses.
Have you taken the pills? Have you taken the pills?
No, I haven't. I will after some time.
Are these your books? Are these your books?
No, these are my friends.
Can you go to the market right now? Can you go to the market right now?
Yes, I can.
Have you brushed and washed up? Have you brushed and washed up? दोस्तों यहाँ पर ये ध्यान दें कि washed up का मतलब होता है मुंह हाथ पैर धोना, ठीक है। आप इसे सेपरेटली नहीं कह सकते। फेस, हैंड्स एंड लेग्स वॉशिंग इस तरह से काफी फनी हो जाएगा। वॉश्ड अप एक फ्रेज है जिसका मतलब होता है फ्रेश होना, मुंह हाथ पैर धोना। ओके,
I have brushed and washed up.
हाउस द मूवी? हाउस द मूवी?
It's wonderful but a little scary.
हाउ इज योर हेडेक? हाउ इज योर हेडेक?
It's gone as soon as I took tablet.
हैव यू tidied up your room? यहाँ पर दोस्तों tidied up का मतलब होगा सेट कर देना, जमा देना, साफ सुथरा कर देना। ओके, हैव यू tidied up your room?
No, not yet. After the homework, I will.
Why is there such a mess in your room? यहाँ मेस का मतलब होगा बिखरा हुआ सामान, कचरा, बेतरतीब चीजें। ओके, Why is there such a mess in your room?
I am in the middle of arranging things.
What are you looking at? What are you looking at?
I am looking at this poor parrot in the cage.
Do you have any problem with homework? Do you have any problem with homework?
No, I'll solve it quickly.
Who were you talking to? Who were you talking to?
He is one of my classmates, Rohit.
How was the match? How was the match?
It was amazing. We have won.
Did you meet the principal? Did you meet the principal?
No, I went to meet him, but he was on leave.
Can you spread the clothes at the clothes line? Clothes line कहते हैं कपड़े वगैरह सुखाने के लिए जो रस्सी हम डालते हैं उसे, और स्प्रेड कर देना यानी कपड़े रस्सी पर फैला देना। ओके, Can you spread clothes at the clothes line?
Yes, I can do it after this work.
Why do the plants look withered? Withered मतलब सूखे हुए, मुरझाए हुए, फ्रेश नहीं दिख रहे हैं. Why do the plants look withered?
Oh, I forgot to water them this morning.
Isn't there school today? Isn't there school today?
Yes, there is, but I have stomach ache.
What are you up to? To be up to यानी किसी चक्कर में होना, कुछ करने वाले होना हो. What are you up to मतलब तुम किस चक्कर में हो, तुम क्या करने वाले हो, तुम्हारा क्या करने का इरादा है. ओके.
I am about to exercise for a while.
Do you need some more chips? Do you need some more chips?
Yes, they are really tasty.
Why do you touch your elbow now and again? Now and again एक फ्रेज है, इसका मतलब होगा बार बार. ठीक है, तुम अपनी एल्बो को बार बार क्यों टच कर रहे हो? Why do you touch your elbow now and again?
At the playground, I fell and hurt it.
Can you give me a hand? Give me a hand. मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Can you give me a hand?
Yeah, sure.
तो डियर फ्रेंड्स, ये थे वो सेंटेंसेस, ये थे वो क्वेश्चंस जो हम लोग अपने घर पर, अपने क्लासरूम में स्टूडेंट्स के साथ, बच्चों के साथ बोल सकते हैं. क्वेश्चंस भी इस वीडियो में सिखाए गए हैं, आंसर्स भी बताए गए हैं. वीडियो हमारा उसे लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर करना है, चैनल उसे सब्सक्राइब करना है, बेल नोटिफिकेशन को दबाना है. मिलते हैं जल्दी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर.